How to remove age restrictions on Discord. If you're unable to access certain servers or channels because of age restrictions, I'll show you how to fix that. First, close the Discord app completely and open an internet browser on your device. Make sure you're doing this through a web browser and not the Discord app. In the search bar, type Discord login and press enter. Click on the first result, which should be discord.com, and then sign in to your Discord account. Once you're logged in, click on the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. Next, click on the settings icon in the bottom right corner. Select Content and Social from the settings menu. Scroll down until you find the option called Allow Access to Age-Restricted Servers and make sure it's turned on. After that, scroll back up to the top of the page, where you'll see your content restriction settings. Make sure all of these options are set to show. Click the drop-down menu for each option and change them to show if needed. Then click on Graphic Media and do the same thing there. Make sure every option is also set to show. Once you've finished, go back to the Discord app. And that's how to remove age restrictions on Discord.